wonder if pro barbers will watch this.
I don't know where this will go. I might share it actually with the 360 barber whose tutorials I've been watching. Yeah, 360? I think so. His tutorials have been amazing, very helpful. Little plug here, and yeah, we'll see how good his tutorials are, you know, depending on the results.
So this is all down to you, brother. Yeah, if she gets this wrong, we're gonna come back to say the tutorial was kind of off.
We're still under quarantine, okay? We're still under quarantine. Things are still bad, especially for clients that need a haircut, okay? And in this video, this is my reaction to a couple that's finna get into something. She finna try to cut this man's hair, y'all. She finna try to cut his hair. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we are back. Without further ado, let's jump into it. This is dang near the wifey cut challenge, okay? But at least, what I can say right now, at least she been paying attention to the videos, okay? So let's jump right into it. Let's go.
Oh, Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a while that anything has been uploaded to this YouTube channel, and I'm back and I'm not alone. As you can see, I'm here with my lovely husband.
Hi.
And you know, quarantine makes it all possible, and he is in desperate need of a haircut, and UK barbers are not to open until
July.
I
don't know.
It's sad, isn't it?
I don't know.
And when was your last haircut?
What month we made?
Like 2 months ago.
In March.
I mean, look at the side. Like, if you turn, yeah.
Oh my days.
It's not acceptable anymore. It's not acceptable. And I'm gonna try an attempt to do a high top fade, which is not the easiest thing to do. It's a challenge to take on, but I've been studying, so.
She's been studying. You better studying it.
So I've been watching like a lot of tutorials, like mainly by American barbers. You know, they have that really
they got
clean
that nice
style.
Just thorough.
Hey, I see my picture.
It's just
I see at least 2 of my pictures.
One of those videos, you know, where like the girlfriend or the wife cuts their hair and like they do it like bad on purpose. You know, we don't want to do that. So I really want to put like proper effort. So we're gonna try this today. I mean, I have done his hairline once before and that didn't end too well.
It was terrible.
It was pretty terrible, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I was receding.
Yeah, I went like way too far back.
And I'm not receding, thankfully. I'm blessed with a good hairline.
And I have practiced the fade on his little brother, so he was my little guinea pig. And
I have to say, actually, the job was actually, like, it was good. It was good.
I mean, I wasn't too happy with the fade on the side, to be honest. But
let's
it was
not
my
talk
first
about that.
fade.
That was the first one, today's the second one. And so,
I was gonna say.
Let's do this, right? Give it one more comb, yeah? I'm gonna have another drink because I'm honestly nervous.
The way he's combing his hair right now, the way he's picking it out.
Clippers have been oiled. Yeah, we're ready to go.
I usually pick
out. I'm gonna start with the bold outline, which is the most important line of the whole haircut, apparently. Anyway, babes.
It is. It is.
Do you have any last words
It's the start of a good haircut, all right? The bald line is a start of a great haircut.
Right.
Let's go.
If you mess up the bald line, everything else is gonna be messed up.
Goodbye, sadness.
Oh my days.
Why he jerk like that?
I know. Nervous.
Oh my days.
How you feeling?
I don't know right now. Honestly, I don't know.
Now this is the first guideline, so I'm nervous, but I think it goes in like that.
Oh,
just look at
Oh shit, at least she got the tutorial on hand. She got the tutorial on hand. That's what that other girl should have did. But she learned off of TikTok and Instagram. Those are way too.
Wait, do I have to go higher than this? I think I have to go higher.
Those are way too fast-paced apps.
I need to breathe, man. I need to breathe.
You need to breathe.
I need to breathe.
No.
I'm sweating. I'm already sweating.
You need to breathe.
Okay, can we
going on here? My man over here
That's
sweating.
it, bruv. Oh my days, just get this dog, please. Just get it on now.
Hey, just get up, man. Just get up.
I think I have to take it higher. The guy takes it way higher. He takes it like that high. Okay.
Yeah. At least she's looking in. That's one thing I do gotta give her props
oh,
on.
darling, it's happening.
Because at least she's looking at the tutorials on hand.
Oh, I need to breathe. I need to breathe.
It's not a bad looking guideline at first.
See what I've done so
She even
far.
tries to drop it. That's
What do you want me to do?
Brush it out, brush it out, brush it out. Comb it out, brush it out. Is it still off? Is it not off? I think it's alright. I think it's cool.
The guideline don't look too bad.
Okay. Bold line, I'm happy with the bold line.
The bald line do
Second
not look
guideline.
too bad. That clipper though.
How's that feeling? How's that feeling, love?
Yeah.
You don't even know what to say. How's that feeling?
Bob never asked how
You
that-
haven't
how's
touched me
that
yet, but
I've never had that question asked.
he's looking so scared.
How's that feeling? Man? Can you imagine?
Got it.
You guys out there sitting in the barber chair and the barber asks you, "Oh, how's that feeling?" You be like, "What have I done?"
That is a weird
Can you
question.
talk about your experience?
How's that
When you
feeling?
went to the one white barber. Can you talk about that, please?
You live in a predominantly white area, innit? So finding the right barber has been a journey.
Man.
And now I found one that does me like, he does the job. But this one guy, I asked him, "Do you know how to cut hair?" He's like,
No.
"Do you know
That
how
kind
to
of
cut,
thing.
do you know how to cut like black hair, high top?" And he's like, "Yeah, short on the sides, short on the sides, yeah, flat on the top." It's like, okay, yeah, cool, yeah. He seems to know how to do
Sound
it.
about right.
Man, I sat in his chair, and then the way he touched my hair, he went like this. And I was like, this guy does not know what he's doing. Man, when he started cutting my hair, it was, long story short, it was so bad.
Man.
Like, you know, my favorite part, my favorite part is the shape up, yeah? And he was like, do you want me to? I was like, no.
And then
I walked-
didn't you meet someone and then...
Yeah, I walked
The
down
shape
road,
up is
and then some of the local
definitely
youth
the
workers,
most
some of the local kids were like,
most important part of it. Period.
Anyway, it was bad. It was bad.
Wait, you didn't say your name in the intro. His
My
name's
name,
Yofi.
my name's Yufi.
We forgot that.
And I know there are Ghanaians out there who would say Yufi, but that's how I say it. I'm English. I'm British. I say it in the British way.
Okay, let's take the second guideline higher.
Look at his face though. He looked like if he could just take his eyeballs and
second
wrap it
guideline,
around
hiding
and
under
see
your
what
hair.
she's doing,
Ooh.
he would.
Oopsie.
Cause his
Be
eyes
careful
is
now, because I go, but it's actually hiding under your hair.
his eyes is definitely
The second
really
guideline
trying to
is
see
hiding.
those clippers.
Can you make it not hide?
Yeah, I'm pushing your hair. The barbers would probably at this point, they'll probably have a heart attack. We're gonna continue with the third guideline, which is the first guide that we're gonna be using. No, guard. So we're gonna be using the number 1 guard.
He
Open
like
for the next guideline.
Can you make sure you know what you're talking about? But the saddest thing is
Guys, sorry.
she not looking too bad right
It
now.
might not be looking too bad, you know.
Look at it. See, that's what I'm
It's
saying.
looking alright, I think I can see something coming through.
The
Getting
saddest
excited.
I'm
thing
getting excited.
is that it's
Don't
not
get too
looking
excited,
too bad.
like-
She over here taking too many
Because it's all
breaks
in the
though.
blending. I'm just still doing the guidelines. If you
She taking
if you do
water
the blending
breaks,
right, that's like
resting
same
breaks,
makeup.
breathing breaks.
If you don't do the blending right, your makeup's gonna look kind of rubbish, and it's the same thing. So we need to just blend this. Okay, I'm gonna switch to the number 2 guard. Open. Yep, number 2 open. This is not gonna be a guideline anymore. He said this is just like to go along with the high top. So I'm gonna do that.
She must have been watching my she definitely been
Make
watching
sure
my
to go
videos.
straight.
That's
Make sure to
exactly
go
what I
straight
be
up.
saying
Make
all
sure
the
to go
time.
straight up. I'm going
It's not
straight up.
necessarily a
Okay.
guideline.
You know what?
It's just
This is
making it
I'm
blend
happy
into
with
the
where
top.
we're at. I'm happy with where we're at.
Take it
now
off the bowl.
it's time to blend. So let me take a look at my paper. So I'm gonna
She
start
got it
with
written down.
number 1, closed.
Look at him like, you
The
have it
middle
written
guideline.
down? I mean,
You know.
why don't you just refer to the video?
The good thing about Lydia is that she's German, so Germans like to follow rules, and that means she studied and followed everything to the letter. Closed, was it open? Close the lever, open the lever. Oh, it has to be open, it has to be closed. Da 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 da. So it's like you can trust that.
Yeah.
Put a vote.
I
Would
hear.
you let Lydia cut your hair at this very moment in time, guys?
Oh,
Would you let-
hell
would you let it
no!
happen?
Whoa. I
Prize.
probably wouldn't.
Would you let it happen?
We can do like a vote in that corner of the video.
No,
Is it gonna
I'm
be
sorry.
that
I
corner?
wouldn't.
Yeah.
I have ways.
Okay, let's blend, darling. Let's get blending. This is tricky now because now we need to like flick. The guy said like you need to flick. Flick, 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 flick. Fading.
Flick, really? Dang. Her flick out motion needs work, but it don't look too bad
Let's
though.
try
I
and
mean,
fade
that's,
the bottom line and then we'll see. So the bottom line I have to use the lever close.
I know. I'm looking at it closely too. I'm like,
Your ball.
Whoa.
I'm not sure, man.
I know, because right now it's like, before it was looking cool because you just sat in the
I never paid you,
guidelines.
but I want it back.
But now that the cat is out of the bag,
Sure.
now that the rabbit is out of the hat.
I think the bottom line, we're getting rid of it. We're about to do the most important part of the whole entire haircut.
It's about to go down.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now we're doing the
It's not bad.
shape up with this amazing
It's not
detailer.
too bad.
And
It's
I'm
not too
hoping
bad.
I can fix your hairline.
If you
at
give
least
him a
and
crispy
make it nice.
lineup, if she
mess
does
this
a
one
crispy
up,
lineup,
if you mess this one up, man.
I'm really gonna try not to, okay? Oh
if she,
Are you serious?
no.
Oh my
I was about to say. I was about to say.
That's not even funny.
That ain't even funny. Yeah, he right. That is not funny. You talking about a man's lineup.
Yeah, I think that's a straight line. You know?
I think that's a straight line. Either you know, either you know or you don't. To tell somebody, I think that, it's a straight line. I think it's like, oh my goodness. You're not giving me no surety. But let's look at the before and after. Okay.
So
I
think
mean,
this is the finished result. This is what we've got. You haven't properly seen it though, only in the little screen. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go upstairs and you're gonna see it in a big mirror because we don't have like.
I mean, it ain't Ralph
mirror.
though.
And then you're gonna give your final verdict.
But
right?
it's Polo
Yeah.
US. You know what I mean? It ain't Ralph
Okay,
though.
open your eyes.
It ain't Ralph though. But it's Polo. You could get by with it.
And come on.
It's not the worst. It's actually decent.
That's what I'm.
It's
No.
decent.
About a 6.5.
It's not bad. Like it's
About a
I'm looking more
6.5.
decent than I expected. I thought you were gonna sabotage me totally.
Yeah.
I think
I thought you
you
was
did a
gonna
good job. Room for improvement. I give it a 6. A 6 out of 10.
Like
I
I
think
said.
I think that's fair.
Okay.
Like I
I think
said,
a 6 out of
6?
10. You know.
A 6 out of 10. I've
I
had
said
worse. I've had worse by
6.5 just
professionals,
because she
so.
did give a crispy
Yeah.
lineup though. She did do a
Pretty
good job
good.
on the lineup.
All right, guys. So that's the end of the video. The haircut is done.
It's complete.
It's complete. I'm so
Being
glad.
that this
I'm
be-
so
this-
glad
being
we
that
did
this is her second
it
time,
was a good experience. It was a lot of
6.5.
fun actually as well.
If she did that to my head, I wouldn't be
quarantine.
too mad
The-
having that
I've been through a
hairstyle.
roller coaster.
Not the
It's
waves.
been a bit of a traumatizing
That
time
hairstyle
for me.
right there. I wouldn't be
What,
too
this
mad.
haircut?
Yeah.
I think apart from a few cuts, like I can see another cut on your cheek here.
Yeah,
I
so-
did cut you here. This one actually looks a bit bad.
She
You're
cut
like,
me
yeah, I
down.
can feel it. You
And I'm
touch
not
it.
gonna
You
lie,
touch it.
yeah. My
You're
face
touching.
is stinging in different places right
Stinging?
now. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, guys, thank you
You
very
went too
much
hard
for
on with the
watching.
mic.
Thanks for
Miners.
watching. If you want to check out more of Yofi, we're going to put his socials down below. He's actually got a YouTube channel as well, so you might want to check that out.
Okay.
And yeah, I think that's it from us. It's now 1:30 at night. I think it's time to wrap this up.
God.
So,
Yes.
Dang, when
So,
did you start?
Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, share, subscribe, comment, and leave a comment and share.
bell.
Oh yeah, ring the bell. And yeah,
That's it from us.
thank you for watching, and
See you next time.
see ya.
Bye.
Hey, I give it a 6, alright? In the comment section below, let me know what you guys rated, alright? Was it quality? Was it average? Was it poor job? Being that it's his wife, let me know in the comment section below. I think she passed the wifey cut challenge, I'm gonna be honest though. But yeah, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Make sure you guys follow Linda's channel. Her link will be in the description below. Otherwise, this quarantine sucks. Okay? Sucks. Okay? I can't wait to get back to work. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Peace.